So the Fly Lady has some rules, 11 to be exact. They are the heart of the system, and they explain a lot about the Fly Lady system. Today, on day 18th of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we're going to take a look at those very rules. So come and meet me by your computer. We're going to go over the rules of the Fly Lady system. So here are the Fly Lady rules. I will link down below exactly where to find them. Most of them are things we have already been doing in our daily habits, and some other ones are more about mindsets. Essentially, this is the heart of the system. We don't want to take on too much that we can handle. We don't want to make a bigger mess because life does go on. And we do finally want to fly, which is an acronym that stands for Finally Loving Yourself. Feel free to go over this again at your own pace. And again, I have included a principle. Feel free to put it in your control journal as well. Now that we are familiar with the rules, we will remember this when doing the Fly Lady system. Also included a free principle down below with these rules, but you can feel free to print them out from her website as well, whatever works best for you. And we've gotten so far in this challenge, and I hope you're seeing a big difference in your home. Comment down below the biggest difference you have seen so far. For me, it's always the decluttering. And tomorrow is day 19 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge, and I'm so excited to see you there. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.